What's up everyone, this is Kanishk. So OnePlus has been giving some great amount of focus to their budget lineup like the OnePlus Nord, the OnePlus Buds. And I have the result of that. It's called the OnePlus Buds Z, recently launched, and the price is very promising. It's 3,000 rupees. Today I'll do a detailed review of this one. I'll tell you whether you should get it for 3,000 or not, and whether it is better than the OnePlus Buds which were launched before this. And before we proceed towards the video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, comment down below, let me know what do you think about the video and what do you think about the OnePlus Buds Z. It will be a huge support to the channel. Let's do this. So this is what you get inside the box. The OnePlus Buds, a red cable club card to enjoy some perks from OnePlus, a charging cable in the traditional fashion of OnePlus with the red and white accent, some thick books to read, and some extra ear tips. Pretty clean. Talking about the physical overview, there are the buds itself. The box looks very similar to the Galaxy Buds. Very identical. You get a USB Type-C charging port. There is a button for pairing. Once you open it, the resistance is very nice. It means the build quality is nice. Even the magnets inside the box which hold the earphone themselves, they are also very tight. They create a good resistance, so they cannot fall easily. The build quality of the buds is really nice. The weight of per buds are 4.35 grams to be very precise, and the silicone tips covering the buds are also of very good quality. They are very soft, which means that you will not have any problem wearing them for longer periods of time. The comfort has been certainly taken care of. Talking about some bonus points of the physical overview, you get Bluetooth 5.0 with these, which means that there is no issues in pairing and connection and all of that. Also, the battery life, OnePlus claims 20 hours of total battery life along with the case and 5 hours of life for the buds. Now, no one is going to hear the music or take calls for 5 hours continuously. But yeah, I've been using these for around 7 to 8 days and I've got approximately 16 to 17 hours of battery life in total. I have not calculated the battery life just for the buds. Also, this supports USB Type-C charging, which means 10 minutes of charging time will give you 3 hours of music playback. Now let's talk about the sound. This is very important. The best thing about these earbuds are their bass. As per the OnePlus's website, it's clearly written that it is bass boosted and you will feel it. The bass is great, there is thump and the bass are deep. So if you're someone who listens a lot of Punjabi and Hindi music, Bollywood music, you will certainly like it. The sound stage is really wide. It is like the Samsung Galaxy Buds. So the music which you hear comes from a wider area. You feel like that. Obviously it comes from the buds, but you feel that it's coming from a wider area, which is really nice. The weak points are the lows, I would say. The lows could have been improved, but the mids and highs are okay. And obviously it is a bass boosted earphone, so the lows cannot be that good. Overall, I like the sound, especially for someone who likes Bollywood and bass, it is for them. But if you're someone who likes a balanced sound, and if you want the detailed sound, you want the bifurcation of vocals and instruments and all of that, if you're an audiophile, then you won't like it. The pairing process is very easy. You just have to press the button behind the buds for 2 seconds and it will go into the pairing mode. Then you have to turn on the Bluetooth of your Android or iOS and then you can connect it. I have connected it with my Samsung Note 20 Ultra, and then every time I open the case, I get a pop-up on the screen displaying the battery of each earbuds and the case as well. Now there is a new app also which supports these. It's called the Hey Melody app. I will leave the link in the description. You can download it from there. After downloading the app, you can customize the taps. So you can, double tap to go on the next track and double tap on the left to go on the previous track. You can customize those. You can, what I have done is I have put double tap for play and pause and double tap on the left for next track. So you can customize that. So with the help of the app, you can update the firmware of these buds, which is really nice. If OnePlus launches an update which will improve the performance in any way, you can do that with the help of the app. Also, you can customize the controls, the double tap to change the track or answer the call, you can do that as well. So that's it for the review. The buds are really nice for its price. I 100% recommend them. You have to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you feel about the buds and my video. Please do that. That will be a huge support to the channel. This is a new channel and it needs your support. So please do that. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.